Suzanne LaBuda was the first in my family that has completely known where she came from. Suzanne came over from Poland with her 3 sisters and 2 brothers. It took about 3 weeks by ship from Poland to Ellis Island. She lived in Poland from when she was 4. She married William LaBrosse Sr. when she immigrated to America after her sister Pauline died. She lived in Wisconsin with him for 37 years on his family farm before she died at an age of 95. They had 8 children together. One was my great-great-grandpa, William LaBrosse Jr. A fun fact about my family is that Suzanne and her sister Pauline, that they cooked for President Wilson, who was the 28th president. They worked there for 6 years before Pauline died at 96.